My name's Sam Baginski, and I'm a primary care sports medicine doc. What I do is I see and treat athletes for any injuries they may have, so any sort of ligament injuries, broken bones, concussions, as well as deal with the medical side of things like mental health, why people are fracturing. So I always really enjoyed getting to know people and being able to help and take care of them. I've always enjoyed knowing the why behind things, and medicine is a great way to kind of figure out why things are happening, why people are sick, and how we can fix it. For sports, I grew up as an athlete and had my own share of injuries as an athlete, and so that kind of honed me into this field. As a sports medicine doc, I'm in the clinic during the week. I also will be in the training rooms at different colleges that I cover, so I can see athletes that come in for any concerns. And then of course on the weekends, I get to be on the sidelines of different games at different high school, college, different levels across San Antonio.